এই মুহূর্তে ভারতের হাই কমিশনার বিক্রম দোরাইস্বামী এসেছেন ইস্ট ওয়েস্ট মিডিয়ার অন্যতম প্রতিষ্ঠান নিউজ 24 পরিদর্শন করতে। সহকর্মী লাকমিনা জেসমিন সোমার মাধ্যমে যুক্ত হচ্ছে সে আয়োজনে। সোমা, বিস্তারিত জানতে চাই আপনার কাছে।
তন্ময়, আপনি দেখতে পাচ্ছেন যে আমরা এই মুহূর্তে কিন্তু ঢাকায় ভারতীয় হাই কমিশনার বিক্রম দোরাইস্বামী তিনি আমাদের ইস্ট ওয়েস্ট মিডিয়া গ্রুপের নিউজ 24 এসেছেন পরিদর্শনে। আমি একটু সরাসরি তার সাথে কথা বলতে চাই। হাই কমিশনার, ভেরি ওয়েলকাম টু আওয়ার নিউজ রুম। ফার্স্ট আই would like to know from you that it has been a month and a half you have come to Bangladesh. So how do you like our Bengal, Golden Bengal?
It truly Sonar Bangla. I'm delighted to be here in Bangladesh. You can see why Gurudev, Kobi Guru, as you call him, Tagore, said. So, you call him Kobi Guru Tagore, we call him Gurudev Tagore. Had set all his poetry and all his beautiful lyrical paintings also in Sonar Bangla. You can see it's beautiful, it's warm, the people are wonderfully hospitable, too hospitable, beshi keche. But it's a delight to be here. To be the Indian High Commissioner in Bangladesh is the highlight of my career.
It is said that the relations between Bangladesh and India has been reached a unique height during the tenure of Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina and Prime Minister Modi. So how do you rate or evaluate this relationship currently?
Well, no less than the two prime ministers have said that, so who am I to evaluate what they've said? But absolutely, I think people can see where we are today is, as our leadership says, a Shonali Adhyay. We are truly at the highest phase since the greatly tragic assassination of Bangabandhu. And I think it's important in the spirit of India-Bangladesh friendship, in the spirit of the great Bangabandhu, to take the relationship even beyond that. So that is our effort now.
Yeah, so Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina and Prime Minister Modi is going to meet virtually on December 17th. So would you tell us something about the issues that can be discussed in that meeting?
Well, look, I can't yet announce the date. That, of course, the two foreign officers will do once everything is finally finalized. This is, of course, leadership at the highest level. But you can be sure when two close friends meet, the closest friends meet, essentially we will discuss everything that both sides want to discuss. But the most important thing we will discuss is how to take our partnership further forward in the 50th anniversary of Bangladesh's liberation.
You have talked about vaccine, but many people are raising question about the price. So would you respond about that?
Well, look, like you, we are also a price-sensitive country. You can be pretty sure that whatever we produce in India will have to be affordable. So we will certainly be conscious of pricing of vaccines because it is essential for our own people to make sure that vaccines are affordable.
One more thing, Bangladesh believes that China and India can do something to start repatriation of Rohingyas. So if really India truly wants to repatriate that or Rohingyas or resolve this crisis, so India can do it. Do you believe so?
Well, look, I'm grateful for your confidence that we can solve the problem on our own, but fundamentally this is not a problem that is in...
Especially to convince Myanmar.
We are working very hard. The only difference is that we don't do this publicly. We are working very hard because we are neighbors of both Bangladesh and Myanmar. We are the only ones that are land neighbors of both countries. We are also very clear that this is a problem that cannot be left to fester forever. It is a huge drain on Bangladesh's resources. It is a huge challenge for Bangladesh's society and economy. And we will do our best as effectively, and we believe effectively means to do it in a way that persuades and helps resolve the problem. So that we will continue to do.
Thank you, Excellency. Thank you so much and good wishes for your new venture. তন্ময়, শুনছিলেন যে এখানে হাই কমিশনার তিনি এসেছিলেন এখানে নিউজ 24 এর নিউজ রুমে এবং একই সাথে এখানে ইস্ট ওয়েস্ট মিডিয়া গ্রুপের এবং বসুন্ধরা গ্রুপের ব্যবস্থাপনা পরিচালক সহ এখানকার ঊর্ধ্বতন কর্মকর্তারা রয়েছেন এবং তারা তার সাথে এই পরিদর্শন করছেন। বাংলাদেশ এবং ইন্ডিয়ার সম্পর্ক কিভাবে আরও এগিয়ে নেওয়া যায় সেই বিষয়ে কিন্তু কথা বলছিলেন ভারতের নতুন হাই কমিশনার বিক্রম দোরাইস্বামী। এই ছিল আমার কাছ থেকে সর্বশেষ নিউজরুম থেকে।